Hey guys, this is Leonard, and welcome back to Ne3rdom. So we're going to try something different, and we're going to start our Ne3rdom Eats videos. Um, Both me and Josh really enjoy food. I love food. So this is just a way for us to share some food with you, new things that are coming out that you might be reluctant to try, or that you want a second opinion on before you try it. So today I'm going to be reviewing the bacon queso burger from Wendy's, and also the bacon queso fries. I usually like bacon. I usually like queso. And let me correct that. I didn't get the burger because I don't want to eat really heavy at the moment. So instead of the burger, I got the bacon queso chicken sandwich. So according to their website, you have your chicken, your breaded chicken, your queso cheese made with poblano peppers, your bacon, your red onions, and then the bun is made. I believe the bun has red jalapeno pepper incorporated into it. So might be spicy. I'm hoping that it has good flavor. And without any further ado, let's jump in. So got got the burger. Let's open that up. Show you guys what we're working with here. It looks pretty well put together. I open it up. Oh, and there's salsa on there as well. It's like a tomato-based salsa. It smells really good. See that onion on there. Got the bacon. All right, let's dive into this. It's got a good weight to it. A little piece of cheese hanging off of there though. All right, let's go in. Mmm. Okay, so you can really taste the acidity from the salsa. It's not spicy at all, which is good. You get you get the crispiness from the bacon and like that smoked bacon flavor. The red onions add like another layer of crunch to it. You get the sweetness and the acidity from that salsa. I was worried that the bun was going to be super spicy because it says that it has the red jalapenos in it, but actually it's really good. Chicken, I don't know if you can see, the chicken isn't dry at all. It's actually really moist. Okay, so in that bite, hmm, in that bite, I got a really big helping of some of the chunks of those poblano peppers that are in their queso. That is some really heavy duty flavor right there. Mm. Oh yeah, that poblano queso that makes the entire sandwich. You got a little bit of like a smoky heat mixed with that sweetness and that acidic flavor from the salsa. It goes really good with the chicken. I'm glad I picked chicken. I don't think I would have enjoyed this flavor on a burger. Um, this seems to work really well with the texture of the chicken and the flavor of the chicken. I feel like it would be a little weird eating it on a burger. Um, that fresh red onion sets it off. That bacon gives you the crisp. So I'm happy with that. So as you know, with Nerddom, we do our ratings. Oh, excuse me, got a little food. On a 10 scale, but with the food, I want to try something different. So as you see, sorry, right about on, right about there. There's a green thumbs up, an orange kind of thumbs up in the middle, and then a thumbs down. So I would definitely give this the green thumbs up. Um, it wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $3 and some change for the sandwich, and like $1 and some change for the fries. I haven't tried the fries yet. We're going to move on to that. But for that sandwich, definitely the flavors there. If you enjoy like Southwestern or Tex-Mex type flavors, you would definitely love this sandwich. It doesn't taste like they tried to throw a burrito or a taco on a sandwich. It actually, the smokiness and that depth of flavor you get from that poblano pepper queso is what makes that sandwich. And there is a burger version of it. I opted to not try the burger version. I went for the chicken. I feel like it tastes great on that chicken, so I don't know if that would translate well to the burger, but for the chicken, definitely I give it a green thumbs up. If you haven't tried it, go out and try it. You'll be pleasantly surprised. It's not spicy. It's not really heavy. The flavors are actually, you can distinguish the different things that are inside of the sandwich. Like when you bite it, you can taste the red onion, you can taste the chicken, you can taste the poblano pepper queso, and you can taste the tomato-based salsa that's on there too. So all in all, I think Wendy's did a good job. That sandwich definitely, you get the Nerddom seal of approval, green thumbs up. So now we're going to move on to the fries, which we have here. I'll go ahead and take off my dome that was keeping the heat in. So these look like just their, take a look at that right there. That bacon and that cheese. So it's basically the same poblano pepper cheese sauce that looks like is on the sandwich. Then we have the bits of bacon. I don't think there's salsa on this. I didn't think to get, let me give it another look. I didn't think to get any forks, so I'm just gonna dig in here, make sure I get some of that with the. Man. So you get these nice portions and pieces of bacon, crispy, not burnt, flavorful and juicy. You get that poblano pepper queso, nestled onto a bed of fries. Outstanding. I was afraid that I wasn't gonna like these. And as you can see, I can't stop eating them. I would definitely give these fries a green thumbs up as well. These paired with the sandwich gives you so much of that flavor. Okay, it's not a traditional like Mexican food type flavor. It's not like a knockoff Taco Bell type flavor. It has like that authentic southwestern Tex-Mex style smoky flavor, and it's delicious. So thank you guys for tuning in for this review. If you haven't tried these new offerings at Wendy's, go out and try them. I'm gonna start trying to review more food for you. If you're on the fence about trying something, you can always check in, see if we have a review for it to kind of help your decision. But for these, I would definitely go out and try them. If you haven't, it says that they're limited time, so while they're there, go grab them. And this has been Leonard with Ne3rdom, and I will see you guys next time I eat.